Good morning. Welcome to your 15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some very nice conditions across the region this morning. Continuing for this week, we'll see good conditions today. No chance of precipitation or lightning. We'll see some slightly breezy northeasterly winds for later this afternoon, but overall, not going to see a wind advisory and just some very nice, pleasant conditions across the region today. Current surface analysis: high pressure in control across the region. Do have tropical storm Francine continue to move up into Mississippi this morning. That's going to continue to weaken and become a post-tropical system today. Also see some cirrus cloudiness building in from that system over our region, for today, but overall good conditions across the region. Our current observation is scattered at 25,000 feet. Winds out of the east-northeast at 4 knots, temperature 69 degrees, and relative humidity at 87%. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery across the region. See good conditions across the area, seeing some smoke in the upper atmosphere and then across our northern area. We'll see some cirrus cloudiness across the south, but overall mostly sunny skies this morning. Could see a little bit of this stratus to cumulus cloud development move across the region for this afternoon from the ocean, but overall only going to see a slight uptick in our cloud ceilings or clouds across the region. And looking at the HERM model for today, we'll see good conditions in general, that increase of that stratus or some cumulus clouds later on today, but overall good conditions and definitely going to see some increase of our cirrus cloudiness later today. High today of 78, low tonight of 66, green chart across the board. Slightly breezy northeasterly winds around 21 knots with a gust this afternoon, sustained 9 to 14 knots, and then dying down overnight northeast 6 to 11 knots. Our 24-hour terminal forecast can see VFR conditions today. It's an increase of our fair weather cumulus cloud this afternoon, around 4 to 5,000 feet, but overall great conditions in general across the region today. Our tides are running normal, and looking at Friday and Saturday. Friday mostly cloudy with slightly breezy northeasterly winds. We'll see a very slight chance of a pop-up shower during the afternoon hours as well. High 79 degrees, and our winds have a yellow here for wind gusts possibly up to 22, 23 knots. Friday night, partly cloudy with a slight chance of some low clouds, low of 66, and for Saturday, partly to mostly cloudy with breezy onshore flow, a high of 78 degrees. We'll see those winds gusting at possibly 25, 26 knots on Saturday out of the northeast, so going to orange here for our winds over 25 knots. Well, that's going to complete our E15 daily operations weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. We'll be back at 10 o'clock for the next 7 days.